Okay, so here is my 15-watt mini Tesla coil plasma electric arc speaker. Bought it from eBay as a kit from 100 FYS. Went together quite easily. It didn't work immediately, actually, and I was just going through debugging it. I was just attached it up to the scope, and then suddenly it started working. So I'm not entirely sure what was wrong to begin with. One thing I did notice was that there was some arcing going on between the two coils, I guess. So I'll turn it off and then I'll show you a close up. You see, let me get some better view. Can you see that little brown spot there, just arcing between that and the red wire? Not entirely sure why there specifically, but yeah, it's something to look out for. But yeah, now it seems to be working quite well. So I'll turn the power back on. Sorry for the mess on the desk. Put some music.